What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Take a look at the markets. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Okay, we're going to take a look at a nice little chart from HODL 15 Capital, our main man. And then I'm not going to spend too much time on all that stuff because nothing really has changed per se. We're just kind of waiting to see what happens. And then I'm going to share my top AI plays. Now, admittedly, out of the three narratives that I chose to invest in, which is real world assets, gaming, and artificial intelligence, the smallest one was artificial intelligence out of those three, but I still think I have some pretty good plays. I got rid of a pretty good play. We'll probably share that as well. And so without further ado, let's do this. Start here. Bitcoin, spot Bitcoin ETF flows, as you can see, since what? This is the 18th of March. Been kind of lackluster in comparison to like this from like February into March. March was a great month, right? March was a really good month up until kind of the end, I guess. Up to the middle of March, and then it just kind of fell off. Since like the middle of March, it's been kind of going in the red, right? That's negative inflows or outflows, and then we had a good few days, but I mean, it looks like it's been dropping. The first, April 1st, negative 88 million outflows, and then the second, which is yesterday, positive 40 million, which isn't a whole lot, but hey, there's gonna be ebbs and flows, no big deal. And let's take a look at the chart. As a result of all that, not only because of that, because there are other entities that are buying and selling, guys. Bitcoin has more or less just sideways, right? So nothing really has changed there. Today is from yesterday, right? Maybe people were thinking it was going to hit. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it does. Like I said, this, right? That's going to be like my first bias. However, I did mention here, and we are so close to filling that gap that I just don't see how. You got to put it in the 4 hour. I just don't see how we're not gonna, right? I don't see how we're not gonna fill this little gap right here in the 4 hour, right? Come down as low as what? 42,265. Okay, we're not too far off. We're at 65,000. Wait, what did I say? Hold on. 4 hours. As low as 64,275. All right, more or less right around there. That would get, we just touch that, and then we can be on our way. Although I don't know, maybe we stay around here. All right, so we'll see. We got to play it by ear, but it doesn't really look too bad. Let's put it back to the daily. We're really holding on, guys. And remember, yesterday I think I showed you the monthly. How we've had 7 months in a row of just going up. So, I mean, it's not like we're not due for a little sideways or a month of red. No big deal. Even though we are right here to the halving, it's no big deal. It's use that as a way to position yourself as best you can, because things are going to get a lot better. And it's not like they're bad right now. I mean, come on, let's have some perspective here. I'm down from my peak, right? But I'm also way up. I'm up for over 4x, guys, over 4x, and I'm sure some of you guys, hopefully a lot of you guys, are up that or more, and if not, just wait, be patient. If you can have some capital, put it in, because this is great opportunities. Even if it drops more, I just don't see it. Even though we have a little bit of this, we're, kind of like disinterest or less. That's just how it is, and eventually there's gonna be more buys. There's gonna be another wave. There's gonna be more people, and this price is gonna go up. So you're gonna wish that you had put in right now in comparison, because these altcoins are consolidating. And let's take a look at altcoins, all right? Because that's pretty much all I have to say about Bitcoin. Just keep in mind, I don't know that we drop down here. I think maybe we close that gap in these coming days, and then we kind of figure it out from there. So we'll see. We'll play day by day. All right. DXY actually really quickly, nice 2 red days in a row. So that's positive. Let's see if that was in fact a fake out and we come back down. Let's see what happens, but that's good for the markets, guys. All right. Now let's take a look at my AI plays. They are okay. ORAI, Gamercoin, Veracity, Trias, Clintex CTI, LAI, and DYN. Okay, so, a couple of them are also deep in plays. Okay, so let's take a look at their charts. First one, ORAI. It's pumped. All right, I think this market cap is at a couple hundred million, I think, or something along those lines. I mean, it's pumped, right? Since September 11th, 2023. Boom, boom, boom. Nice little V shape right here. That's my average buy price. I have a nice little bag. I haven't touched it since. I mean, I like AI plays. I think it's going to do well, but I don't know. I guess I understand gaming plays and real world asset plays more. Could it get to a 11 billion market cap? I mean, if this one's going to be a really hot sector, then yeah. If AIs, and it seems that it might be, maybe people don't know how to price it correctly. It's only a 50x from where it's at right now. Only a 50x. Definitely doable. Definitely doable. $710 or AI. So that's one. And that one's done well for me, right? What has it done for me? 4x, almost 5x. At the peak, it was 7x. Not bad. Gamercoin. Gamercoin is at a good area to buy. Look at how much it's dropped. Boom. Okay. From a high of 34 cents to 15 cents right now. It's still up for me. I mean, it's my buy price right here. How much is it up for me? Almost 4x, 395%. Not bad. Not bad. It's just so funny. 10x from this peak. All right, so not bad. It'll come back. No big deal. This is a great accumulation zone. So I mean, if you're looking for AI play, deep in play, gaming play, look no further than Gamercoin. It fits all those narratives. So that's a good one. Veracity is actually also in artificial intelligence, and look at that big drop. I am up very little on Veracity right now. I'm just gonna ride it out. I mean, how much am I up right now? 59%. Oh my god, I should be thankful, right? I mean, at least I'm up 59%. But I mean, wow, what a give back. From this peak, I was up 257%. I mean, you're catching it at a huge discount buying at this levels. Do we come back to this ascending line right here that you can see right here? If we do that relatively short in the next few days, right, by 16th of April, it's going to be at it'll be at more or less 0.005, 0.0058. Every day that goes up a little bit more from that date. All right, so just a little bit, but still interesting. Maybe we do come up, but check this out. Watch this. So if that is indeed the case, then maybe, just maybe, see this? Do you see these two lines right here that I'm putting my screen across right there? Just kind of like a I don't know, megaphone, I guess, or something. Space is getting wider, and since it's been in here since 10th of May, right? It's just touched the bottom, touched the top, touched the bottom, and remember this line up here is getting further away from this one down here, so it's more volatile, right? And then we did the same thing just recently with that big pump right there, and now we're coming right back down, testing it again. Could it be that the next time this thing's gonna go up over here to almost 2 cents, or maybe even more? Maybe we finally break out of this. If it does that, you know, around May or June, right? Maybe a little bit before, right around there. So I mean, you're buying it at a pretty good area, and you don't think it's gonna do this again, based on just this little chart? Yes, and based on the technicals, the fundamentals as well. Is it risky? Yes, because right now the community is not happy, and it's showing, obviously. Power, community, and crypto, guys. All right, but this is opportunity for those that aren't in it. I mean, damn, I could have sold at a penny, but I didn't. I have faith in the project. I'm gonna be okay. I'm up anyway, so I mean, I could sell right now and still be up. But really, what am I going to put that money in? Right now, I think it's better served for me to be in Veracity. And honestly, if I had some more capital and like I was having a tough time, it wouldn't be my first choice. It wouldn't be my first choice of putting in capital. But I mean, if it drops like right here, I might, because nothing has changed fundamentally. All right, just again, people upset. Veracity is at a good price. It's just not my highest conviction play. All right, but let me tell you something about high conviction really quickly. Where is it? This was an AI play that I got in. right? Because not everything you're gonna have a high conviction on. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy it, right? Because sometimes you can be wrong. Where is it? KGI, AGI, Dilithium. Okay, Dilithium. I bought this bad boy right here, close to the bottom, right? And this thing went up to do at the peak 21x. it's done more than all the other coins that I'm in right now. Had I held, but what did I do? Because I didn't have huge conviction on it, and once it was up, right? Because I bought and then just waiting, I sold right on here, right? I sold right on here where the circle is, and look at all that I missed. I missed all that. Taught me a lot of lessons, all right? And one of them is just because you don't have high conviction, something tells you to buy it. Because look at that, 21x, guys, right? And I missed all that like a fool. But it is coming back down, and thankfully I did take that money and I didn't just spend it or anything. I put it back into projects, so eventually it will make me more money, and eventually it'll make me more than what this is. So that's how I gotta see it. But definitely lessons learned. What is this? Definitely lessons learned, guys. Definitely lessons learned. So that's why sometimes veracity might not be my high conviction play, but that doesn't mean it can't go to $1. All right. And then another one that while I'm talking about it, high conviction play. Speaking of a high conviction play, really not a non-high conviction play, Clintex CTI, right? And I thought about selling right here. I thought about selling Veracity too, but I'm just not going to do it. This one at 2 cents, right? It's again, artificial intelligence and healthcare. And look, it's pumped. I was going to sell right here, but then I would have missed all that, even though we're coming back and consolidating. Even though I don't have huge conviction on this play, this thing could still do like a 50x. Who knows, right? Let's see, what's it done for me since? As high as 278%. All right, compared to the other ones, not that great, but I mean, still not bad. Even right now, it's up double. It's up more than Veracity is for me. It's at 118%. All right, so you just never know. What does this one look like? Similar. It's going up this chart, right? I mean, going up this red line, and if you can see it, boom, 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 right here, boom, 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 and maybe it does something like that again. Maybe it drops all the way down here, but it could take a while. But maybe we do see some support right here at 0.037. Again, it's not like I'm saying buy this project. I'm not saying to buy any project. Really, do your homework, take a look, see if you like it. But just because it's not a high conviction play for me doesn't mean that it can't do really well, and it doesn't mean that you can't love it. You can see something maybe that I can't, and maybe you're right. You know, hell, we're both right because I'm in this project too. So I mean, and I'm not gonna sell. I'm gonna wait to see what it can do, because I think it has some fundamentals. It has got a community. There's nothing wrong with this project, right? Just implement, like, just really just I don't know. Personal preference, I guess. I don't know how else to describe it, but it can do well. So that's Clintex CTI. But again, it's in a good area consolidation. A lot of these are in a good area consolidation, so I mean, it's good to pick up. Finally, after that one, let's do one that I have from not a high conviction play to a very high conviction play. Trias. And right here, we've actually lost this ascending line last time. And you might say Trias is a AI play as well. Yes, Trias is AI play as well. Trias is everything play. We lost this line right here, but I mean, we've done that before. I have a buy order in. At like $8. I'm thinking maybe we can drop down here or close, and maybe not exactly touch $8.47, but just right above it. It might, a little flash crash. You never know. To fill the with Bitcoin drops, it fills that wick. I mean, fills that gap. Then yeah, these projects probably drop a little bit more. Boom, boom, boom. Definitely pick it up. It would have to drop to $8 on KuCoin, and that means you would have to buy it on KuCoin. That means right now you can't withdraw from KuCoin. So that's something, because same coin on MEXC is worth $11.52. Okay, and that arbitrage opportunity wouldn't be there if you could withdraw from from Trias. I mean, from KuCoin, because then you would just withdraw, send it to MEXC, and make an instant profit, and just repeat over and over and over again until the price converged. All right, so you can't do that right now. So, but still, you can buy it a lot cheaper, and eventually they will allow withdrawals. So I did buy there, and I have another buy order in at like 8 something. I believe a lot in this project, guys. I believe a lot in this project, and hey, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think so. Next one, LAI. Layer AI. This is a more recent buy, so as you can see, I'm actually down, and that's fine. That's how it normally is, guys. That's how it normally is. That's why you use the strategy of dollar cost averaging. You're down on your initial buys, but then eventually, not always, but for the most part, and then eventually it's gonna go up. Right now, we lost all this. I have one more buy. I think I also have a buy order, and let's see if it drops. But right now, you kind of want to wait and see for it to start kind of like turning or going sideways, to know where the bottom is, because maybe it still has a little bit more to go. Let's do a really quick guesstimate. Where could we go? Yeah, we could test the 618, which is at 0.0418. Maybe I'll put my final buy order in there, or I mean, it could be that we drop all the way down. It's like I've never seen that before, at the 0.786 all the way down 0.027221. All depends on what the rest of the market does, but eventually I think it will continue to go up. There's a lot of volume on this project, Layer AI, and I see it in a lot of different lists. Although it's not without its people that say, oh, it's a scam. They give various reasons for it to be a scam. They used to be the name of another project. They used to, one of the guys apparently on the list apparently seems to be fake, it's not real, or something like that. So I mean, definitely do your homework on the project. I've decided that I don't believe that stuff. I don't believe. I think it's just FUD, no big deal. And then I'm still gonna make a couple of more buys unless that changes. But if it changes, I will let you guys know. But that's Layer AI. And finally, Dynex, which is quantum computing, but also I guess would be considered AI. I have a couple more buys in as well. As you can see, I am below because these are new projects. I haven't even done videos about them, and yet I should. I said I was gonna do it this week or last week, but I haven't done it. But I will. I'll get around to it. Believe me, because I do think these are good projects that you should have on your radar. Anyways, that's my average buy, 81 cents. It's at 72 cents. Maybe we are going to be touching down here, 57 cents, which, I'm going to be patient. I have a couple more buys that I can make. I'm not putting huge money in any of these. I'm not putting huge money in anything right now because my positions are already mostly set. This is just little additional stuff to try to see if I can get squeeze some more juice out of everything. But Dynex looks pretty good. Dynex looks pretty good, or else I wouldn't be in it. 72 cents, a good buy, but maybe we drop down to 57 or close in the 60s. See what happens. All right, cool. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. In the Spanish community, they asked for my AI plays, and admittedly, like I said, I think my world asset plays are stronger and my gaming plays are stronger. But had I not sold the one that I mentioned to you, AGI Delicium, my AI plays would be pretty damn strong as well. Although they haven't done me really badly. Plus, if you have Trias in there, Trias is due. Trias is gonna definitely go. So I like that. AI change I think is gonna do well. Gamercoin I think as well. Veracity I think as well. I mean, there's some good AI plays there. All right, all things considered, I think I can pick winners no matter whatever sector it's in. Leave it there, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Trying to grow this channel, all that stuff helps. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.